You're surrounded by millions of people, yet you feel completely alone. Why does city life feel so isolating? And more importantly, how can you change that? If you've ever felt this way, you're not alone. The modern city is a paradox. It connects us yet isolates us at the same time. But what if we told you there's a way to break through the loneliness? Today, we'll uncover why urban life often leads to isolation and, more importantly, what you can do about it. Imagine walking through a crowded street, people rushing past, no one making eye contact. The paradox of modern cities is that the more people there are around us, the lonelier we sometimes feel. We live in close proximity, yet social interactions are minimal. The person sitting next to you at a cafe might be just as lonely as you are, but we rarely acknowledge each other. We have built invisible walls around us, making the city a place where millions of isolated lives run parallel but never intersect. The city never sleeps, and neither do we. Everyone is busy, always moving, always working, always chasing something. But in this rush, something important gets left behind: human connection. We tell ourselves we don't have time. Maybe next time, we think, but that next time rarely comes. The constant hustle culture of urban life keeps us on a never-ending treadmill of responsibilities, leaving little room for genuine relationships. Technology has connected us more than ever, yet real-life connections have suffered. We chat online, we like posts, but how often do we have meaningful face-to-face conversations? While we may have hundreds of virtual friends, the number of people we can truly rely on is shrinking. Our screens are our escape, but they also build barriers between us and the real world. So, is loneliness in the city inevitable? No. And here's what you can do about it. The first step is to put yourself in spaces where connection happens naturally. Join a club, a meetup, a fitness class, anything that interests you. The key is consistency. The more you show up, the more familiar faces you'll see. And soon, casual acquaintances can turn into real friendships. It may feel intimidating at first, but taking the first step is the hardest part. Not every connection has to be deep. Even small interactions can make a difference. Start simple. Smile at your neighbor. Make small talk with the cashier. Say hello to the person who always takes the same train as you. Micro connections like these can help you feel more connected to your environment. And who knows? A simple hello could be the start of something more. Studies show that even brief social interactions can significantly improve mental well-being. Another way to fight loneliness is to engage with your city on a deeper level. Get involved in the local community. Volunteer, attend local events, support small businesses. The more invested you are in your surroundings, the less like a stranger you'll feel. Consider exploring new areas of your city, talking to locals, or even learning about the history of where you live. Creating a sense of belonging starts with knowing and appreciating the space you inhabit. The city isn't just buildings and streets, it's the people. And the more you connect with them, the more at home you'll feel. Loneliness in the city is real, but it's not inevitable. Small steps can make a big difference. Start with one action today. Say hello to someone. Join a group. Be present in your surroundings. Make an effort, and you might be surprised at how the city starts to feel a little less lonely. The city can feel isolating, but remember, you are not alone. And connection is always within reach.